Hey everyone, how are you? This is Kieran Hogg with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips. Today I am reviewing Profit Nucleus. This is an app where you will learn how to create high conversions with 100% free traffic with a very high conversion rate of about 80%. And there are case studies to go along with this, so you will see proof. I've got demo access, so you're going to see what it looks like on the inside. Plus I've got a lot of great bonuses that you aren't going to want to miss, so stick around till the end. And we're going to go do a deep dive and learn about what Profit Nucleus is. So this is being launched by William Weatherly on August 1st. It goes live at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, that is New York time. And this will go down on August 4th at midnight, okay, 11:59. All right, so if I just take you to my bonus page here, you're going to see Kieran's Amazing Bonus Bundle and Profit Nucleus. So discover how this super simple setup of an online command center can transform your online results. You've got about 5 days, as I'm doing this review, for you to claim all your bonuses that we're going to look at in a minute, okay? So what is Profit Nucleus all about? Front end of Profit Nucleus will show your audience how to create high conversions using 100% free traffic for whatever offers. They promote using the hub-based affiliate model that has been the basis for major companies such as NerdWallet. Now NerdWallet is like an affiliate platform that they've done. They don't have any products, they just do it through affiliate marketing. They think they sold 500 million or so, maybe last year. We're going to look at that in a minute. Will Weatherly has been using this business model to achieve staggering conversion rates of over 80% while enjoying easy, low to mid three-figure paydays like clockwork. So we're going to see some of that. And the training is backed by multiple case studies, including blog SEO training case study, video marketing case study, and social media Quora traffic case study. So this is the front end and all the upsells, guys. But let's go down and take a look at the bonuses and then come back to that. So the first bonus is the Fuego Breakout. So that is where you use the power of Instagram. Instagram has millions and millions of users, as you know, so you're going to learn how by getting the Instagram users to look at what you have. So if you can get them to your landing page, then you can use the pixels to take them over to the sales page. And it's very straightforward. You're going to show you how you can do that and really grow your traffic, which is what you want to be doing in affiliate marketing, right? So it's going to show you how you can do that. And number 2, Jono's 3 favorite sources. So Jono Armstrong is my mentor. He gave me these videos to give to you as a way of saying thank you for using my link. So I've seen these, and one of them you might be a little bit surprised about. So you want to check this out and get an idea of the 3 best traffic sources from someone who has been in the game a while and knows what they're talking about. So check those out, Jono's 3 favorite traffic sources. And learn how to make effective copywriting. So we are being bombarded with different data, different information with our phones. Everywhere we look, there's people trying to get our eyes, right? If you can stand out, you're going to get a lot of people looking at what you're talking about, what product you're maybe talking about, promoting, selling, what have you. This is going to show some little tips and tricks how you can get people to look at what you are writing, so you can have compelling engagement, really add a bit of mystery, a little curiosity. This is going to show you how you can do that. Okay, Gemini, guys, so this is a time-sensitive bonus. This is only going to be here for the first 24 hours, so don't dilly-dally. If you do think this product is right for you, go sooner than later, okay? Because this is a really cool app. This is a 3-in-1, 3 different softwares. So first one is an autoresponder. If you don't know what that is, once you get a customer to sign up, give you their email, their name, you can create a thank you page or any kind of page where you can put a promotion in there, a bonus, anything you want that can be fired automatically to that person, or you can stagger it any time that you want, a day later, 3 days later, whenever you want. This will do it all on autopilot for you. And there is no fee or no monthly fee. Most autoresponders you have to pay a monthly fee. This is just a one-time, but you're going to be getting this for free. So the next one, the part 2 of the software is funnels. Okay, so you can create landing pages and other kind of thank you pages and sales pages. So it's very, very powerful. And the third and final part of this software is you can incorporate clickable videos in your emails. So when a customer is looking at just a regular email and then they come across your email with interactive clickable videos, it's a lot more engaging. It's a lot more, gives you a little bit more clout in your industry as well. So I think this is a really, really cool app. And like I say, it's only for the first 24 hours. So don't delay if you want to get this product, because it will go down later. Vendor bonuses, we're going to look at those in a minute. I've also got some extra bonuses for you. This is profits on cruise control. So this is how you can do a little bit of setup in the beginning and then get just the profits coming in on autopilot. So it talks about getting traffic, capture pages, having front end offers that can be even very low priced or even free, for example, just to get that kind of buyer curiosity. And then in the back end, that's where you can end up making a lot of your money. So people, you develop that kind of trust just because you're giving away something or something very, very at a great deal, and then you're able to have other ways to do this. It also talks about getting subscribers, using free traffic and paid traffic, and what kind of paid traffic, who gives you the best value of the paid traffic. There's a lot in this, so I'm kind of excited to tell you that. So that is another bonus that you will get if you use my links here. So if you use any of these purpley blue buttons here, it's going to take you to the sales page, and then when you click on the sales page, you can click, you're going to get access to Warrior. It's going to take you to here at Warrior Plus, and then you'll get access to all my bonuses here. Okay, guys? So don't miss out on those. But let's continue. I've got more for you. Okay, the next one, guys, is the launch jacking blueprint. So launch jacking is what I'm doing right now. I'm talking about a product. I'm making a bonus page, giving you some insight about it, making it all kind of look professional. So it does take a bit of time, but with this launch jacking blueprint, you're really going to understand how to do it. So it discusses autoresponders, which I mentioned, I touched on with Gemini, and copy and paste templates, how to write engaging content. So with that other bonus about writing compelling copywriting, you're going to get a lot of different sources telling you how you can do a great job, and you can take all those and utilize it very well. So this is another bonus from me to you for saying thank you for using my link. And my final bonus, guys, is do these tips and see your YouTube channel skyrocket. So you're going to be able to get a lot of tips and tricks on how you can create great content, and it's going to go into some little tricks like keywords, autofill, looking at your other people in your niche, seeing what they're doing very well, some of the people that have been doing it a long time, how they are able to maybe have more viewers, what are they doing that you can use. So there's a lot of ideas in here that are going to help you get better engagement, better traffic, and ultimately sales. That's what it's all about. So again, guys, like I said, click on any of these buttons. It's going to take you down. Click on the sales page, then it'll take you to Warrior Plus. You click that button there, click that button, and then you get all of the bonuses that I just presented to you. Now let's take a look at the dashboard here. So this is Profit Nucleus. As you can see, it's very clean, laid out very well. So this is a complete video series, right? So you're going to be walking step by step with Will as he shows you how to do this. So we've got the orientation, brief overview, the case studies. Okay, so he's going to show you through all that. Niche selection and creating bonuses. Okay. Nucleus Powerhouse YouTube blog. So Nucleus blog review structure, video setups, my video setups, YouTube and blog combo. So if I just take, I think I did that. Yeah, YouTube and blog combo. Just show you a little bit about what it's going to look like here. So there's Will. So he's just talking very clearly. He's going to show you step by step.
Combining our YouTube channel with our blog. And then we can also add list building, which I'm going to show you later how to do. And I'm going to broach this now so you know exactly what the idea is, the concept is that we're going to talk about later.
Okay, so as you can see, Will is going to be walking you through it step by step. So if you are new in affiliate marketing, don't panic, don't get too freaked out. This is all building on itself, right? So what you just saw is kind of midway through. So if you saw that and are like, oh, don't worry. It's all going to be building on it. Okay, email blast to your Nucleus. Again, this is all videos walking you through how to do it. Social media traffic to Nucleus. Hub exit strategies. Profit Nucleus setup, setting up your hub. Your resources, bonuses, your upgrades. Okay. So Profit Nucleus setup, guys, is going to show you how you can set up your account. Just show you a little bit, getting the domain and the hosting. So it's going to walk you through how you can get a website.
Or Namecheap or whatever you
Don't
choose.
worry,
So I've
it's going to
already
be
chosen
done
the
side
one
by
that I'm
side
going
with
to
you.
Buy, which I haven't bought yet, which I'm about to buy right now. So.
Okay. All right, guys, so it's all laid out for you step by step. And there's going to be support. So if there is anything that you, right here, if you have any questions, you've got support. So don't worry about it. Okay, let me take you to the sales page now. And again, this is Will. He's got just a sales video that you can check out on your own time. He's got some proof here. So today 126, yesterday 246, today 246. Sales dashboard, and today 338. So you can see it's working. So Nerd Wallet, yeah, 500 million in revenue, and it's all through affiliate marketing, affiliate sales. I'm going to take you through the bonuses too. So the last 7 days, $725. In the last 30 days, almost $10,000, guys. That is some serious money. So if you follow this video series, these are some of the numbers that you can be looking at. Okay, so here are the bonuses, guys. So number 1 is the profit code. Number 2 is Exodus. Number 3, Explosivo. And number 4 is the CPA project. Okay, so CPA is cost per acquisition. That is where CPA networks can ask your traffic if they can perform a certain task, maybe like writing their email or their name or their phone number or completing a short survey, and you get a bonus on that. So it might only be 50 cents to $2, somewhere in that range, but when you start growing your email list, that can add up to a lot of money. So this can show you some ways that you can do that. And guys, there's a 30-day guarantee. So if you do purchase this, you look at it and it doesn't deliver on what it said it was going to, then you can consider a refund as well. All right, so I should kind of show you the prices. Okay, guys, so like I said, the front end is only $9.97. Plus, with all my bonuses, you're getting multiple thousands of dollars in value. The one-time offer at $27, number 2 at $37, number 3 is $67, and the number 4 at $197. So Profit Nucleus, we just saw that. The front end, you're going to get access to all that. Number 1 is the Profit Nucleus Traffic Pro. Pro version provides you a path to take the main training to the next level. You will learn how to create more content with less work. You'll be shown more monetization strategies and traffic methods in line with what you get on the front end. Also, you will get more in-depth case studies illustrating the power of the Profit Nucleus model. Number 2, the done for you at 47 and downsell of 37. It's a full suite of done for you material. Takers of this upgrade will get content templates and email swipes. Okay, and the 2x license rights. So this license rights upgrade enables users to get automatic approval to sell Profit Nucleus, as well as the deal of the day winning profit code as your own product, and receive commissions across the entire funnel for both products. So you'll get 100% of commissions if you decide to go with number 3 and sell it as your own, right? And Profit Nucleus coaching. So takers of this will get one-on-one with Skype or Zoom. Okay. So guys, if you feel like you're a little overwhelmed, maybe you think, oh, even with the video, maybe the word site, creating the website, I don't really know what to do. This is a viable option for you. You'll get that one-on-one coaching. You can get that kind of hand-holding situation, ask any questions, and they're going to guide you so you can start making some of those numbers. That was 30 days, almost $10,000, right? So if you look at that value, 200, and then in 30 days, 10,000, could be a pretty good value, pretty good way to spend $200 to make 10,000. Okay, you guys, 100% newbie friendly, surefire method. Do it once and get it paid over and over. Works flawlessly in 2021, 100% proven business model. Free traffic on demand, a system based on actual case studies as you saw, and in the videos they will show you the proof of the case studies as well. And again, you guys are going to get all these bonuses that are going to complement this product, and all these bonuses as well, guys, as a way of me saying thank you for using my affiliate link. You've got almost 5 days, okay? And I want to thank you. This wraps up my review of Profit Nucleus. I hope you got some value out of this. Hope you have a little bit better understanding of what Profit Nucleus is. And if you're new at affiliate marketing, this could be a very good app for you to buy. And of course, you're going to get all of my bonuses. Don't leave without getting those. So hit my link and get those. Also, guys, you can watch this again. The link will be in the description, and you can get the sales video. And also, please subscribe and comment if you haven't. And I'll talk to you soon. This is Kieran Hogg with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips, signing off. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day.